Good evening, Utah. This is Bradley Vernon with the Utah Climate Center. Some eventful weather today as I nearly packed up this morning and started driving after seeing the National Weather Service issue a 2% possibility for tornadoes down in the very southeastern corner of the state. That doesn't sound like a lot, but it's definitely a rare occurrence for Utah. The terrain makes it quite difficult for tornadoes to form here. Imagine trying to stir some tea with a bunch of rocks in the bottom of the cup. Either way, we're mostly on the other side of things now, but make sure to stay safe if you're in that area of the state. As for tonight's weather, all that moisture down south is going to continue moving north and east as a low pressure system exits the state, meaning you could get some isolated showers along the Wasatch Front and eastern Utah through the morning. Expect gusty weather along with it, particularly in the higher elevations and around the canyons. Tomorrow, some of that moisture will still be in place, but the rest of the ingredients needed for precipitation will have exited to the east, meaning only a few isolated high elevation pockets of rain are likely in the evening. Daytime highs should start warming more aggressively, up into the low to mid 90s for northern and central Utah, and mid 100s down in St. George. Sunday, mostly clear skies and temperatures continuing to warm, with Salt Lake City forecasted to hit the century mark by the late afternoon. Expect to warm a few additional degrees everywhere else too, with some moderate breezy weather in the evening, which might help make things a bit more manageable. Looking ahead, temperatures should stay elevated through the midway point of next week, with lots of sunshine in the extended forecast. Thank you for listening and enjoy the weekend. This has been Bradley Vernon with the Utah Climate Center.